talk and the women who pretend they're listening.
And that's why I love aerodynamic engineering.
Wow, Bob, what a long story.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just love what I do, so I love to share. I hope I wasn't boring you.
Oh, no. Oftentimes when I'm listening real hard, my eyes just kind of close like that.
I thought so. So, anything to start?
Oh, no appetizer for me, Bob. I'm a very light eater. I'm lying. Plus, I didn't get to the gym today, and generally I go every single day. I'm really lying.
Veronica, you are one special lady. I can talk to you all night.
Please, God, don't let you.
But my real passion is golf.
Yes, Bob, I can tell by the plaid pants. Oh, and I love plaid.
Do you like golf?
Oh, surely. I'm lying.
Do you play?
Oh, of course. Oh, boy, I'm lying.
Well, we gotta play sometime.
You're close to mine.
Nah.
Who is this woman talking?
Say, did you ever see the greatest golf movie ever made? Caddyshack?
Loved it. I didn't see this movie.
What was your favorite scene?
Help me, help me, help me.
So the difference between fuel exhaust and fuel injection is really very simple.
To think he thinks he's at his best. No thought tonight has he repressed. He talks and talks, and eyes my breast. There's a serious single man drowned. Now some would say a catch I found. He's single straight, his mind is sound. There's 4 guys left like him around. There's a serious single man drowned. I can't believe he's talking still. Oh God, I need a Scotch refill. Excuse me, I could use a pill. There's a serious single man drowned. Standards. I used to have some standards. My man, every standard began to come. Lesbian. I should be a lesbian. How wondrously sane
And who is your favorite Caddyshack actor?
Oh, you know, that person. That wacky, nutty, cold, thingy guy.
Chevy Chase?
Yes!
Me too!
I could roll alone just fine. I'll buy some cats like 29. They'll find me dead in my feline shrine. There's a serious single man drive. So I take fun and hope and flirt. We might get better, I desert. I stay, I pray, till I assert. There's a serious single man, delirious single man.
And let me take care of the check.
Let's split. I'm lying, I'm really lying.
No, it's on me.
You let your sweet not to go card it is. 'Cause there's a serious, delirious, single ladies, that's why you're serious. Single man, Drought. Ladies' room.
and